Good morning, students. Today we will do the second part of narration, or we can say the second part of reported speech. Okay, and I suggest you before doing this second part, you should watch the first part of narration, because in the first part we have discussed the basic rules of reported speech. Okay, and one thing more I want to tell you, if somebody says us to drive the car and we don't know how to drive the car, then how can we think that we will drive the car? I think you have got this. Okay, so first watch the first part of narration, because in that part you will learn the basic rules. Okay, and now in this second part we will do 3 or 4 rules. Only 3 or 4 rules are there, then you will be able to get each and everything. Okay, first point I have written here, if reporting verb is given in present or future tense, then we do not change the tense of reported speech. Once again, if reporting verb is given in a present or future tense, then we do not change the tense of reported speech. How? Now see examples. Ajay says to Ritu, you have not done the work. Okay, so you can see here says, it is a reporting verb. Reporting verb is given in a present tense, so we will not change the tense of reported speech. You know very well that this part which is given into inverted commas, it is called reported speech. So we do not change the tense of reported speech if reporting verb is given in a present tense. Okay, see, says to tells. Is it clear? Because in first part of this narration we have discussed says to tells. According this RCP TC, first reporting verb says to tells, then C for conjunction. That why? Because sentence is assertive. In assertive sentence we use that conjunction. Okay, then P for pronoun. Now we have to change pronoun. You second person you know very well according this rule. Second person according to object. So you second person according to object Ritu. That's why she. Now next tense. Tense has not done the work. You can see this is present perfect tense and it is also present perfect tense. You can see with you we use have and with she we use has, because with singular has is used. So we haven't changed the tense of reported speech. You can see हमने टेंस चेंज नहीं किया है. You can see, आप देख सकते हैं, this is also present perfect tense and you can see this also. Just we have changed reporting verb, conjunction, pronouns. Means each and everything will be changed except tense. Tense will not be changed. Okay, you can see here. Next, Ravi will say to Reena, you are a good singer. Now say, reporting verb is given in future tense. So will say to, will tell. We have changed first reporting verb, then second conjunction we have used that because sentence is assertive, and next P4 pronouns. So in place of you we have written she, because you second person according to object Reena. That's why she is a good singer. Okay, next Sangeeta says she is a good dancer. Sangeeta says. If says then says. We do not write tells. If to is there then. Okay. Sangeeta says and next conjunction that and next pronoun she, third person will not be changed. She is a good dancer. Okay. Have you got this? And now we will do second rule of this. Okay. Yes, now second point. if reporting verb is given in past tense, then we change the tense of reported speech. How? See, Suman said to Devarya, I have completed my work today. You can see reporting verb is given in past tense, said to. Then we will change the tense of reported speech. Okay. So according this RCP TC, first reporting verb said to told, because sentence is assertive. Okay. According this we do reporting verb. Then C for conjunction, that, because reported speech is given in a assertive sentence, that's why that. Next, P for pronouns, I, first person according to subject, subject Suman, that's why she. Now T for tense, have, present perfect tense, it will go in a past perfect tense, so had. Completed in place of my, her, because according to I, my, and according to she, her. Work today condition, and today we write that day. Okay, I think you have got this. And third rule, but if the following conditions are there, we do not change the tense of reported speech. As in first point, I have told you, if reporting verb is given in past tense, then we change the tense of reported speech. But if the following conditions are there, then we do not change the tense of reported speech, whether the reporting verb is given in past tense. Okay. First, universal truth. As the sun rises in the east, it will not be changed. Habitual sentence. As an old beggar used to sit under that tree. Habitual. Then next, see proverbs. Honesty is the best policy. Historical facts. As Dr. Rajendra Prasad became the first president of our country. E, common facts. As we need oxygen to live a good life, मीन्स हमें जीने के लिए ऑक्सीजन की आवश्यकता होती है, एंड ऑक्सीजन गिव्स अस लाइफ, है ना. कॉमन फैक्ट्स. टू एक्शंस इन पास्ट टेंस, टू एक्शंस इन पास्ट टेंस. एज आई वाज डूइंग माय वर्क व्हाइल माय ब्रदर वाज प्लेइंग इन द फील्ड. In this way, if two actions are given together in past tense, then we do not change the tense of reported speech. Okay. And now next we will do one more point. Change in modals. See, can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, would, or should, could, would, might, should, must, had to, and would have to. Okay. Now examples. Yes, first we will do assertive sentence. In assertive sentence, two sentences are there, affirmative and negative. Okay, you can see first example. Gautam said to Ravi, they did not go to market yesterday. Okay, so now we will change this sentence into indirect speech. How? According this RCP TC. First we have to change reporting verb. Reporting verb said to told, because sentence is assertive. After that, C for conjunction. We have used that. I have told you, if sentence is assertive, then we use that conjunction. Okay. Then P for pronoun. Change in pronoun. They, third person, and third person no change. Okay. That's why they. Did not go to market yesterday. Did not. Which tense? past tense means past indefinite tense, and past indefinite tense will go in past perfect tense, and in past perfect had, not, in place of go. Who will tell me what will be here? In past perfect tense we use helping verb third. You must know this, otherwise you will commit the mistake. Had gone to market the previous day. Now see, yesterday, the previous day. Have you got this? Next, the teacher said to the students, you should do your work properly. The teacher told the students that in place of you, we have written they, because you second person according to objects, students, and they are plural. If plural object is there, then we use they. They should do their work properly. Should will not be changed. Should हमारा should ही रहेगा. It will not be changed. Now Simran said, I shall do my work properly. So Simran said, first reporting verb said, told नहीं आएगा, because if to is there, then Simran said that. Now change in a pronoun, because we have used conjunction. Now pronoun I according to first person. Check, I first person, so according to subject Simran, that's why she, and in place of shall, would do her work in place of my, her. Okay, I think you have got this now. And now we will do interrogative sentence.